Hello everyone, this is our idea of DTC Portal aimed at streamlining the entire process of management of DTC buses to ensure proper utilization of government resources, keeping citizen safety and convenience in mind. This is the admin interface. The dashboard gives us an overview of every DTC bus. Every bus is associated with a bus number and a route. There is a crew ID that is associated with the crew name. There are status of the bus that can be changed via the actions. There is a next scheduled maintenance of the bus and the fuel efficiency that is displayed on the dashboard. The actions can change the status of the bus as we mentioned from parked to deployed. In the dashboard itself, we have the functionality to add a new crew member. The crew member can either be a driver or a conductor. You can provide basic details to fill this form to add a new crew member into your bus fleet. As we move on, we have traffic alerts also being displayed on the dashboard to help admin raise any trigger or emergency alert. The quick actions that are provided are to trigger an emergency alert, to schedule a maintenance, and to generate a fuel report. As we move on, we have linked duty scheduling as a part of our DTC portal. Link duty scheduling provides us a seamless way that can help us to assign any crew to any bus ID. This also helps us in automating the process to assign the crew to any bus. The automation process can be carried out using a playwright tool, that is a tool introduced by Microsoft. The admin can also override the functionality to assign the crew to any bus and select any specific route to add a schedule. These routes can be removed using the action and the status as shown in the status bar. Similar to this, we have unlinked duty scheduling, which just has a added functionality to add rest periods to the crew. This helps us in determining what amount of rest periods are required between two shifts of the rest crews. Moving on to the route management of our system, the route management functionality of the DTC portal allows the admin to add new routes in the existing route management system. This can help us in creating and optimizing the existing routes. As you can see, the blue lines on the map represent the existing routes. We can select any new bus stop on the map by searching it, and we can finish our route by adding it. The lines, as you can see, show us the new route from point A to point B. You can also select a new bus stop by clicking on the map coordinates. This can help us in creating new routes by just simply understanding the map coordinates. You can see the overlap by from one route to another by the highlighted area, as you can see on the new map being shown, which shows us the overlapping section. The algorithms that we use to understand the routing is genetic algorithm, which is responsible for finding initial non-overlapping route, and the ant colony optimization ensures real-time dynamic routing when the conditions change. By combining genetic algorithm for initial optimization and ant colony optimization for dynamic rerouting, the system ensures both long-term efficiency and real-time adaptability. Moving on to the bus stop management, this tab allows us to see the usage versus congestion rate of every bus. The ratio helps us decide whether a bus needs to be deactivated or removed completely. The algorithm itself sees if the congestion is more than 80%, it gives us a red alert. The admin can manually change the bus conditions from here. It also shows us an analytical summary of all the bus stops in the city. Also, we also have a data analytics tab which helps us in seeing the data trends along the week. For example, data passengers versus revenue trends, transportation mode share between bus and other transportation modes, bus fleet utilization throughout the month, the metro ridership, total daily passengers, average daily revenue, and average bus fleet utilization. Moving on to the resource optimization part, which is important to see all the buses are being used optimally and their maintenance is set regularly. The maintenance is set in every 6 months of the bus being deployed. The system automatically suggests the maintenance to be set after every 6 months. The efficiency, capacity, and fuel efficiency helps us decide whether a bus needs to be actually set for maintenance. You can activate a bus, set maintenance, or remove the bus from this tab. Moving on, we have emergency response tab, which helps us in selecting various emergency types based on the type of the emergency we are facing. This is important given the situation of the buses in current fleet. They can be very old to very new. The cases of harassment and vandalism, assault, domestic violence. There can be multiple reasons of calling an emergency. You can select a bus number and report your complaint. Moving on, you can send a passenger alert to the bus. If you feel that there is a congestion, there is a bus being delayed, you can just select the bus number. You can add an update. For example, if bus DL1234 is going to be on time, its estimated time of arrival, this notification, the emergency response and passenger alert paths are shown on the user end. So thank you so much. And this is our DTC portal.